Hello everyone. So in our today's video, we will start with the Matplotlib, that is one of the Python library. Okay, so first of all, obviously this is my first video on Matplotlib. So we will have some introduction part as well as the installation and everything. So Matplotlib is a low-level graph plotting library in Python which serves as a visualization, or you can say graphical purpose actually that we use. It is actually open source, and you can say that we can use it freely also, and it is mostly written in Python language, and few segments are written in C language, or you can say that Objective C, as well as the JavaScript for the platform compatibility. Okay, so this is just the overview of what you can say what is Matplotlib. Now, obviously, before we start with the actual program using Matplotlib, first we have to install. So you all have to do one thing only, just open the command prompt, and we can write pip space install, and we can write matplotlib. Okay, yeah, and then press enter. Obviously, you will find a message something like this, and downloading, then installing, and successfully installed. So now we have Matplotlib, and we will write one simple program in which we will check the version number of Matplotlib. Okay, so we'll minimize this command prompt screen now. This is our Python ideal screen where we are writing import and we are writing Matplotlib, and then print, and then Matplotlib dot two times underscore, actually this one, and then version, and again two times underscore. Okay, so it will give you only the version number of Matplotlib. So Control S and F5. See, we are getting 3.8.4. That is the version which we have already or just now actually installed. Okay, so this is all about the installation and overview of Matplotlib. In my next video, we will start with the programs based on this Matplotlib. Thank you everyone.